friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video we are going to review another basmati rice that's in the market, which is the Kohinoor Charminar Rozana rice. So guys, this is a basmati tukda rice from Kohinoor Charminar is the brand. Kohinoor is the brand, Charminar is the product name. Charminar Rozana basmati rice is what we are going to review today. This is a 5 kg packet that I have here of the Rozana basmati rice, and today we are going to review this. So let's start off with the review of it. So guys, starting off with the packaging, it comes packaged in this plastic pouch, which is like a bag which comes with a handle as well, so you can easily carry it home from a supermarket. So it has a handle as well here. You can see there's a handle here. Right here we can you can see the Kohinoor branding. Right on top is the Kohinoor branding right here, Kohinoor. Then the Charminar branding. Then the name of the product, which is Rozana rice. It says it's a basmati tukda rice right here. The pure vegetarian symbol is given here. And if you look at the packaging, it has a Charminar on it. And then there's a transparent part through which you can actually see the grain of the rice. So here you can actually see the grain of the rice. A similar transparency is seen on sides as well, where the Kohinoor Charminar branding is there, and it is transparent, and you can actually see the rice here. So that's how it has been packed, and the net weight is mentioned here. It is 5 kgs. Again below there's a Kohinoor Charminar branding right here. Coming to the back of the pack, what do we have on the back of the pack? Let's look at the back. So this is the back side of the pack. Right here we have the Kohinoor Charminar branding again. A small para about it. Charminar Rozana rice is a tribute to the flavorful traditions of the Nizams. Its long, delicate and soft grains are full of flavor and aroma of the good old days. Best suited for making biryani and pulao. It's a secret ingredient that will make every dish you cook a true delicacy. So that's what's given here. On the other side they have given the cooking directions of the rice. So there are multiple methods through which you can make the rice. So before you make the rice, make sure to rinse the rice 3 times with regular water to get rid of any excessive starch. Soak the rice in twice the amount of water for 15 minutes. Drain the water, and then you can choose any of these methods to cook it. You can try the open pot method, you can try the closed pot method, or you can even microwave this rice. So again, the open pot method, it is very simple. We all have been cooking in an open pot method. You just need to bring a pot of water, that is 5 times the amount of the rice you take, to a boil. Add a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the soaked rice and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the flame. Cook for 10 to 13 minutes. Strain out the excess water and let the rice rest for 3 minutes before serving. If you are using the closed pot method, bring a pot of water 2.5 times the amount. So here the amount of water becomes half. 2.5 times the amount of rice. So you say if you are taking 1 cup of rice, then you take 2.5 cup of water. To a boil, add a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the soaked rice and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the flame. Cover the pot with a lid and cook the rice for 10 to 13 minutes. Fork the rice and serve hot. Microwave method. Similar to the closed pot method, the microwave method requires you to use 2.5 times the amount of rice, water which is 2.5 times the amount of rice, to a microwave safe bowl. Add the soaked rice, add a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil and stir. Cover with a lid or microwave safe plastic wrap and cook on high for 12 to 15 minutes. Fork the rice and serve it hot. So all 3 methods are very simple to use and cook. So we can try them out. Moving on, coming to the price of the product, the MRP or the Kohinoor Rozana basmati rice is rupees 515 for 5 kgs. Shelf life is 24 months from packaging, which is good, which is 2 years from packaging, which is very nice. So that's all the information on the packaging right here. Let's go ahead and open the pack and look at the grain of the rice. So where are my scissors? Here's my scissors, and here we go. We are going to cut this bag open. We are going to quickly look at the grains. So here I have opened the packet of rice, and here I'm going to pull out some grains of rice just to see how good. So guys, this is the basmati tukda rice. I don't know if you can see it right now, but I'll show it to you. So here it is. This is the basmati tukda rice. This is how it looks. And now we are quickly gonna. It has a basmati fragrance to it. Definitely, it has a basmati fragrance. So this looks like from the long grain rice, right? Long grain rice is broken into 3 pieces. So you can't really expect a really long grain rice, but a good medium sized rice here from this basmati tukda rice. Although some grains are really short. I don't know after cooking up how good they will be. So yeah, but it definitely has a basmati aroma to it. And the smooth texture of the basmati as well. Lengthwise, I don't know how long it's going to come out because it is really broken into very small pieces here. Like I think every long grain rice has been broken into 3 pieces in this, and then there are very small tiny bits as well in it. So definitely let's go ahead and cook it up and then do a taste test and see how does it come out. So I'm going to quickly prepare some steamed rice with this. So let's go, let's get cooking. So guys, here we have prepared the Kohinoor Char Minar Rozana Basmati Tukda rice. Now if you look at the grains of the rice, every grain is of a different size. That was expected because this is not your whole basmati rice but tukda, basically pieces of basmati rice. So every grain of rice is of a different size. It's a non-sticky rice. You can see every grain has come out very nice and separate. But it doesn't give you the basmati feeling because it doesn't have that uniform length of rice. So the length of rice varies basically after you cook it because it is a tukda rice, basically pieces of basmati and not the entire grain itself. Right now I have steamed rice and I've made some dal and poured over it. And right now we are going to do a quick taste test of the Kohinoor Char Minar Rozana Tukda Basmati rice. Here we go with the taste test. So just going to take some plain rice first to see how does it taste. So the rice has come out nice and non-sticky and it looks good. Not very long grains, but a mix of length of rice that is there. That was expected. I had expected that because on the raw rice itself it looked like some grains are big, some grains are small, and that's how it has cooked out to be. So here it goes, the taste test. Kohinoor Char Minar Rozana Basmati rice. Here we go. So when the rice cooked, the flavor or the aroma of the basmati was there. When you taste it, you have the taste of basmati as well. And the steamed rice, flavors are good of the steamed rice. You'll enjoy it. It is just missing the length factor in this. That is the only difference here in the Kohinoor Char Minar Rozana Basmati Tukda rice. That's the only difference from a normal basmati rice and a Tukda Basmati rice. So guys, this was my taste test and my review about the Kohinoor Char Minar Rozana Basmati Tukda rice. Overall, I liked it. Like, it's a good rice for a daily use. But if you are expecting those long grains, then this is not the rice that you should go for. Then you should definitely go for a normal basmati rice, long grain basmati rice. You can prefer that. But for daily use, to have steamed rice and pulaus and all normal stuff on a daily basis, this is a good option to go for. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.